Today we are cooking a delicious cake. Don't eat it, okay? I'm gonna add in more stuff in a minute.
Making a cake from scratch. What do you got in here? What do you have in here?
Flour and salt.
Flour and salt. What do you have in here?
Butter and egg. Now the vanilla is going in.
And your tip is your butter and eggs are room temperature? Nice tip.
2.5.
Oscar, if there's no 3/4 cup, you use the 1/4 cup 3 times. That's what Olivia's doing now. What are you mixing in now, Oscar?
I don't know. Sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Whisk it really, really fast. Okay, I can do that. Can?
You know, Olivia's been whisking since she was 5.
5. I'm gonna put this back on. Really gross. Starting to get nice and clumpy. Clumpy bump. Just take some, here's some butter. Oops. And we're gonna take a little in the pans. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do muffin tins. Yeah, that one won't. Get the ones that you can't really reach. I can reach that one. Preset your oven.
What did he say?
Preset your oven.
Preheat your oven? Preheat your oven, yes. Our oven is preheating.
Yeah, it's not good for you. It's got raw eggs in it. Shilly Billy. Yeah.
A whisker wouldn't be good at this point. So, cupcake conversion. You take the amount of time for the regular cake and cut it in half. So we're looking at about 12 to 14 minutes.
And then frost them up. Make the frosting. 12 to 14 minutes. And you're set.
Cake soup.
It makes a big hole in the house.
What you doing?
Putting the cupcakes in for about 10 minutes.
And you'll check them because they're mini ones, so they might not take very long.
10 to 11 minutes.
Come out clean.
Yep.
They're cooked.
Too cute.
You gonna try that, Oscar?
I made it then. With a toothpick?
That's a lot of power. Put a little color on the bottom.
Okay, that's it.
You plop it on.
So glob and plop, Olivia. Glob, plop.
I know how to ice a cupcake.
And that is how you make a mini cupcake with frosting from scratch.
And then a little taste.
Alright, give it a taste test. Oh, they're just the right size. Thumbs up.